what we have here is the 2025 Kia EV6, Kia's electric vehicle, and it has been updated. So the LED lights that you see are completely new, the headlight design is new as well, and the front bumper that you see here is completely new. So the front end of the EV6 is brand new. Also, the battery capacity has been updated. From previously it was 77.4 kilowatt hour, and now it is 84 kilowatt hour, and the range is 650 plus kilometers, right? And the dual motor setup makes close to 325 horses along with 605 newton meters of peak torque. And with a 350 kilowatt DC fast charger, the battery can be charged from 10 to 80% in less than 20 minutes, right? Kia also says that the EV6 gets close to 5 new ADAS features. What are those? Let me tell you. So the 5 new ADAS features includes junction turning, junction crossing, lane change assist, evasive steering assist, and lastly, lane follow assist. Alright, so the design of the rear section of the EV6 stays the same more or less. The taillights have been slightly updated, and the alloy wheel design that you see here is completely new too. And Kia says that it is much more aerodynamic than the previous design, right? So the prices for the EV6 update will be announced in March 2025. Alright, so we are in the driver's seat of the new and updated Kia EV6. So what you see here is the new steering wheel design. So it's a nice sporty design to look at. The dual 12.3 inch curved display that you see here, it's switched off right now, but this is new as well. And it also comes with Kia's new connectivity tech, which is Kia Connect 2.0 along with Kia Connect Diagnostics. So all of these new tech features have been incorporated in the Kia EV6, which has been updated. So you get this nice floating design sort of a center console. So you have your push start button here. You have your controls for ventilation and seat ventilation and AC here, right? And apart from that, you have two cup holders here, and you have charging points there as well, right? So it's quite a reach, and yes, ergonomically it's going to be a nightmare. But apart from that, the Kia EV6 stays more or less similar. This is the new change that we told you about, dual 12.3 inch screen. And yes, the driving dynamics of the car is something that we will be able to tell you once we test drive the vehicle. So what are your thoughts on the updated Kia EV6? Do let us know in the comments below. Till then, keep watching NDTV Auto for the latest automotive content from the 2025 Bharat Mobility Global Expo.